Here I have INFINIX Hot 11S, and today I'm going to show you how to format SD card on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then go to the storage section, then on SD card tap on these three dots, select format, then tap erase and format. Confirm your pattern if you have one, and after a few seconds SD card will be formatted and ready to be used anew. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.